Well, hey, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great kickoff to the week here. So, as we start off here, a couple of key points. We are still in that all important resistance that I was sharing with you guys there last week. It continues to be that long term neckline, you recall, in the SPY. Let's just bring that back over. There's that shot right out there. It ended up stalling out the market back before, and it's stalling us out right here, right now. So, but what was interesting this morning was it was really great because I had the follow-up class from last Wednesday's ITP session. Congratulations to all of you that are part of that now. And so I did this really great live class this morning, and boy, that timing couldn't have been better because you know what, gang? From my perspective, most people can go ahead and make money when things are firing off. Wow, hey, my 1 minute's a long, my 5 minutes a long, my hourly chart's a long. Well, maybe I should be looking for a long, right? Well, the thing is, what happens though when, well, the 1 minute looks like it's a long, but what about everything else? Well, at first blush, this kind of looks like a long too, until you learn a little bit more about some of the strategies. Like for instance, even if you're doing day trading, you still want to look at that higher time frame and see that resistance in the backdrop on the daily chart. How about the fact that the hourly chart at the time when it kicked off this morning, it was making a higher high, but just like I taught you in last Wednesday's class, the triggers were making lower highs. And what did we say? That's where you can get reversals, right? So just because that 1 minute looked good at that particular time, well, what about the 5 minute chart? At that time when this was going up on the 1 minute, this is all you had, sideways and technical damage. So then we talked about what sideways and technical damage meant. We actually looked at the technical damage tool inside of wealth charts that all of you wealth charters have access to that was highlighting that technical damage at the time. In fact, for the next couple hours, then we had more and more of that technical damage. So it was really great because as we always talk about, it's not just the money you make, right? When it's great when you go and find these trades where everything's firing off like crazy and you can look for those long side trades, great. But what happens then on the days where it's a little bit more messy? It's about the money you keep there as well. And that's the difference between a spectator watching the Olympics on the outside versus being a gold medalist and winning and taking home the gold and actually being a real participant. So it was really great to bring all that together for people here this morning. And I want to bring that together for all of you that weren't part of this special class and take that to the next level in our discussions on Wednesday mornings. So don't forget to join me and Hubert this Wednesday morning. If you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, Hubert and I got lots of things that we're going to go ahead and be covering with you. This is something people have been waiting for over 4 years and that Hubert and I have never gone in and done together. And so this is going to be super powerful to go ahead and have this. And I know we have several thousand people registered already. This is one of the biggest events that we've done in modern history outside of like the summits and the wealth charts events. So this is going to be a big event. Look forward to seeing all of you there because you have to understand these things. You have to know when you're likely to get chopped up, and you should just step aside versus knowing when to push. It's one of the differences and the things we're going to be discussing on Wednesday morning here at 10 a.m. Eastern. The big difference, these moments here versus these moments here, how to quickly and readily identify whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, whether you trade futures, options, etc. And so we're going to bring all that together, okay? So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go and just know in the meantime, we're going to be watching these resistance levels going into tomorrow. Can we break above the Friday high and the Monday high here? Start to build a base in there. But the good news is we're all going to be together on Wednesday morning talking about these things too. So just go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. I cannot wait to see you guys. This is probably the last time you see me before the big event Wednesday morning because I got so much to share with you during that event. Okay, so I'm going to be preparing for that. So I'll look forward to seeing you Wednesday morning. Take care, everyone. Bye bye for now.